Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate every one of you guys a lot. Today's video is another zodiac sign, and today we're going to tackle Virgo. I seriously love and adore Virgo people. My sister is a Virgo. My best friend is a Virgo. I personally feel I gel with Virgo the best. I love their personalities. So let's dive in right into the video. First, I'm going to prime my face using Benefits Professional just because there's a lot going on my face right now and I want to hide that. I'm just going to put it on the center of the face. I've already made my brows, and for brows, I use my Wet n Wild's retractable brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. For foundation, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear, and this is in the shade Golden Sun. So if you guys don't know, Virgo is an earth sign. So these are very dependable, loyal kind of people. Actually, it would be their birthday month when I'm posting this. Their birthdays are between August 23rd to September 22nd. So my best friend Archana, I've mentioned her before in the videos. Her birthday is on August 30th, and my sister's birthday is September 20th. Both of the most important people in my life and also strong-headed women. So Virgos are generally strong-headed people, especially women. Like, beware. Like, if they are up to something, they are up to something. You cannot fool around. They're like human lie detectors. You cannot hide anything from them and they'll remember everything. For concealer, I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Tan. So when I searched about Virgo, the colors that depict them are like coffee brown and ivory. They also had a little bit of olive green in them, but I've already recorded a olive green tutorial that would be up either one video before this or one video after this. If it's already been uploaded, I'll put it in the iCards. I'm also going to prime my eyes with the same concealer. So for cream contour, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild's contour stick, and this is in the shade Call Me Maple, and just draw it on the perimeters of the face. Comment down below, out of you, how many of you guys are Virgo, and to all the Virgo people, happy birthday. So because Virgo is a earth sign, they're very responsible, very logical, practical kind of people. As I said, they keep it completely 100% real with you. Sometimes they can be overcritical, but that's just because they cannot sugarcoat things. They're very balanced in their nature. They would put the other side also forward when they're explaining it to you, and they're amazing friends to have. Because it's an earth sign, they're very dependable people. So if you have a Virgo friend or a family member or any close person, I think they're amazing people to have in your life. Especially a sun sign like me, who is very emotional. I definitely need such people in my life to balance me out. So that's what I personally think. They keep it very elegant. They're very subtle from the actions that they do, but they're very hardworking, they're absolutely smart, and they're excellent problem solvers. So if you have any problem in your life, the best advice would be go to a Virgo, and they'll hear you out and they'll say what is right for you. Now to set my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline's Fit Me powder in the shade Medium. When I'm filming this, my sister got her exam results. Now she's a lawyer. It's so weird to even think like that. She's 9 years younger to me. So it's like a baby grown up. Now she's like a lawyer. Now I should do something so that she can like save me out. I think she was like meant to be a lawyer. The way she talks, the way she puts her point across, I mean, it's written all over her that yeah, she's a lawyer. But I'm so very proud of her. For bronzer, I'm gonna take my Balm's Bahama Mama bronzer. You can also contour with this shade. It's a very cool tone brown. And it's pretty dark too, so even if you are a little more deeper than my complexion, I would definitely recommend this too. For highlighter, I'm going to take my Pixi by Petra's highlighter in the shade Delicate Dew, and I'm going to take the bronzy shade in the palette. For blush, I'm going to take my Luna Beauty's blush palette and I'm going to dip into the shade called Twilight. That's the peachy shade. I am loving this blush palette. It's going to be in stock. I will definitely let you guys know when it is in stock. Manny was telling that it would be restocked this month. So I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so now let's move on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to take my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette and I'm going to dip into the shade called Basic and just dust it all over the eyelids. Just because the Virgos are determined by like coffee brown and ivory, I think the browns in this palette are awesome. Like they don't lean more on the warm side or on the cool side. They're very neutral colors. Now I'm going to dip into the shade called Necessary in the palette. And just dust it on the crease. Virgos by nature are very helping people. They love helping others, and they're very genuine. That's the best part being a Virgo. Like they're not doing it for others, they're doing it for themselves. They just like helping others. There's one thing that Virgos do not like, and that is they don't like being teased. So do not tease them until unless they have started it. So once it's beautifully blended all across the crease, I'm gonna take the shade Churro. I'm just gonna pat it all over the lid first. We're going from darker to lighter in that format, and I think that it should be like a smoky eye. Let's see how it goes. I want it to be like a strong look. So I'm definitely thinking for like a winged liner. Winged liner is like a symbol of being dominant and being strong, for me at least. Oh man, why is it thundering so bad now? Oof, did you guys hear that? It's sunny outside, but it's thundering. Now I'm going to dip into the shade called Cheens in the palette. That's the deepest brown, and I'm going to put it very, very close to the lash line. Again, I'm going to dip into the shade called Churro and just tap it all over it. I'm just going to put a little translucent powder under my eyes. And I'm going to take the same shade, Churro, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. Now I want a little something on the lid, and I want to stay in that brown shimmer family. So I'm gonna dip into the shade 24/7 from Jaclyn Hill's palette, volume 1, and I'm just gonna put it right in the center of the eyelid. I'm gonna dip into the shade called Meeks, and I'm just gonna put it right on top of it. Just to give it more of like a deep chocolatey coffee brown shade. Yeah, I love the way it came out now. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going back to my Friendcation palette, and I'm gonna take the shade called Just a Kiss, and I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of the eye. I'm gonna take my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black Love, and I'm gonna line my waterline. Oh no. Man. For the wing, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. And I'm going to draw a wing and then I'll get back because I don't want to do it in front of the camera. I don't think it's perfect. So for the mascara, I'm going to take my L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara. For the lip liner, I'm going to take my NYX Nude Truffle lip. For my lip liner, I'm going to take my NYX Nude Truffle. And for lipstick, I'm going to take my L'Oreal's Color Riche Shine lipstick in the shade Glossy Fawn. Oh, I love the lip combo. I've also applied lashes. For the lashes, I've applied my Kiss Magnetic Lashes in the style Charm. I love the way it came out. It's like a deep brown smoky eye. I feel this captures Virgo in my opinion. Definitely let me know how you guys feel about it. I love the way it came out. If you guys are new here, please do subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I'm posting next. I always post every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.